What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today folks, I am going to introduce you to the Mad Max Popper. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we are here today to show you the Mad Max Popper. Then we're going to unbox this month's Monsterbass bag and multi-species bag. And then we're going to do a little giveaway. Possibly going to give away one of these Mad Max Poppers. So this, in this little bag here, I believe we might have every color of the Mad Max Popper. Alright guys, 6 different colors, 6 different shapes and sizes. Just kidding. It's one shape, one size, 6 colors. First up guys, we have the feeder gill. This is a killer fall bait. The popper is a killer fall transition into fall bait. Even in the summertime, as long as you're not around like tons of weeds, obviously, because they're treble hooks. Whew. Tell me that isn't sexy. That is the midnight run, folks. I absolutely love this color. This is the money gill. The money gill. Up next, we have Sexy Cracks. The Sexy Cracks. That thing is phenomenal as well. Obviously, one of the best topwater colors out there ever is bone, so you always gotta have one in the bone color, and that is the bone. Last but not least, it is green sexy. Pretty sexy. Alright, I'm gonna pop these open real quick. We'll show you what they look like up close, and then we'll get into the unboxing of the bag and the box. That's gonna be in a little bit though, because we're still waiting for that to come in the mail. They look so much nicer when you take them out of the package, and they looked nice in the package. Absolutely cannot wait to get these things in the water. They're freaking dope. Love the chartreuse on the inside of the lip here. Looks sick. Didn't even notice that until now. These are fantastic. They are going to get chopped. Most definitely. Well. This is not how I thought we were going to end the episode today. In fact, this was supposed to be yesterday's episode. But the Monsterbass bags, both the multi-species and the regular bass bag, were supposed to be delivered to the house. They said they were delivered, and they were never delivered. So I don't know what's going on with FedEx. I don't know if they delivered it to the wrong house. But I have nothing to unbox and show you guys, and this week has been madness, so it's been tough. Like, I'm just getting to sit down at the computer now and it's already 7:16. So basically guys, you know, we have these Mad Max Poppers. They are, again, absolutely phenomenal. I would love to know which one is your favorite down in the comment section below. They did send me some early lures. I got them, and so I already do have one Mad Max that I still haven't even taken out of the box. So I still want to do a giveaway for you guys, even though it's not like a bigger one, because I don't have a bunch of stuff. I bet I could throw in a couple little things here. Let's give you guys a KVD Sexy Frog. I got that. I actually bought this for myself. This is Strike King's KVD Sexy Frog. That's what I caught the second biggest bass of my life on. So you guys can have that. We'll also give you one of these fat frogs too. So a few top water items there. We'll give you some of the Ned zones from X-Zone as well. So one thing of soft plastics, a couple frogs, and the Mad Max popper that you can't get anywhere but Monster Bass. So, and this color's sick. This is the Midnight Run again. In order to enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is leave a comment, be subscribed, and that's it. Just leave a comment down below and be subscribed to the channel. As always, it really helps out if you hit the like button as well and share the videos. We are on the road to 10K, so if we hit 10K by the 1st of January, we are going to do a massive reel giveaway. So don't forget about that, ladies and gents.
Yeah, baby.
We'll catch you on the next one. Fish out.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.